Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best faucet cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products in maintaining a sparkling clean and hygienic kitchen or bathroom, as it tackles stubborn water spots, limescale, and rust that can accumulate over time, detracting from the aesthetic appeal and potentially harboring bacteria, ensuring your faucets not only look pristine but also function optimally for years to come. Number 5. SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush. Introducing the SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush, your new go-to tool for tackling stubborn dirt. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle even the biggest messes. Designed with a narrow head, this brush easily gets into tight spaces and corners. It makes cleaning dust and debris in hard-to-reach areas a breeze. From windowsills and grout lines to sink corners and fridge gaskets, this brush is perfect for a variety of household cleaning tasks. It's truly a multifunctional cleaning solution. Crafted with quality plastic and alloy, it's built to last. The non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, while the pliable bristles ensure effective cleaning without scratching. Make your cleaning routine simpler and save your hands. Plus, the integrated hanging hole allows for convenient storage, saving you valuable space. Looking for a practical gift? This cleaning brush is ideal for anyone who appreciates a clean home, making it a thoughtful present for any occasion. What we like? This brush is designed for those tough, tight spots. If you have stubborn grime and grout lines, window tracks, or appliance seals, this is your go-to. Its sturdy bristles and ergonomic grip make deep cleaning less of a chore. What people say? This cleaner is very effective at removing hard water stains and mineral deposits from faucet surfaces. The spray nozzle provides an even and controlled application, ensuring all areas are covered. It leaves faucets looking shiny and new without requiring excessive scrubbing. Number 4. Therapy Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish. Introducing Therapy Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish. Achieve a brilliant shine with our 100% USDA bio-based formula. Tired of fingerprints and smudges? This powerful cleaner effortlessly removes them, leaving a streak-free finish. Enjoy the calming and refreshing scent of natural lavender essential oil as you clean. Perfect for your sinks and even your grill. It's a versatile solution for all your stainless steel needs. Our bio-based formula ensures a safe and effective clean for your home. Experience the difference today. What we like? For a brilliant shine without harsh chemicals, this cleaner is the answer. If you're looking for a natural, pleasant-smelling solution to keep your stainless steel sinks and appliances looking pristine, this is it. It effectively tackles smudges and residues, leaving a streak-free finish. What people say? This cleaner is very effective at removing hard water stains and mineral deposits from my faucet. The spray nozzle provides an even coating, making it easy to apply the cleaner to all areas of the faucet. I was impressed with how quickly the cleaner worked, dissolving grime and restoring the shine to my faucet in just a few minutes. Number 3. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner 750 ml. Tired of stubborn soap scum and limescale in your bathroom? Introducing a revolutionary cleaning solution designed to tackle tough messes with ease. This powerful foam cleaner cuts through grime, leaving your surfaces sparkling. It's formulated to make your cleaning routine simpler and more effective. Say goodbye to unsightly soap scum and stubborn limescale. Our advanced formula works hard so you don't have to, restoring the shine to your bathroom. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free finish on your baths and tiles. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher bathroom with minimal effort. Experience the miracle of the pink stuff. This 750 ml bottle is packed with cleaning power to keep your bathroom looking its best. What we like? If your bathroom is plagued by soap scum and limescale, this foaming cleaner is a miracle worker. It clings to surfaces, breaking down tough grime with minimal scrubbing. For a quick and effective way to restore the sparkle to your tiles and tubs, this is an excellent choice. What people say? This cleaner is very effective at removing hard water stains and mineral deposits. The spray nozzle provides an even coat, making it easy to apply to all surfaces. It leaves faucets looking shiny and new without harsh scrubbing. Number 2. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish, 2-pack. Tired of dull, smudged stainless steel? Introducing a powerful cleaner and polish designed to restore the brilliance of your appliances. Keep your surfaces looking pristine with our advanced formula. It actively repels fingerprints, smudges, and water spots, maintaining a streak-free finish. Don't let tough grease and grime dull your shine. This cleaner effortlessly cuts through buildup, leaving your metal surfaces spotless. Enjoy a perfect polish without the hassle. Our formula guarantees no streaks or sticky residue, just a smooth, clean surface. From appliances and sinks to grills and chrome fixtures, it's safe for all your metal polishing needs. Achieve a professional clean with ease. This convenient 2-pack ensures you have plenty on hand. Keep your stainless steel looking its best for longer with this essential cleaning solution. What we like? Keep your stainless steel appliances looking flawless with this powerful cleaner and polish. If you hate dealing with water spots, grease, and constant smudges, this spray is for you. It provides a protective barrier and a brilliant shine, making maintenance a breeze for busy households. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing hard water stains and mineral deposits from faucets. The spray nozzle provides an even coating, making it easy to apply the cleaner to all parts of the faucet. It leaves faucets looking shiny and new without harsh scrubbing. Number 1. Lifeproof Ceramic Coating Spray Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for your kitchen and bath surfaces. This innovative kit provides a powerful protective layer. Experience a stunning, long-lasting shine that revitalizes your countertops and fixtures. It's designed to make your surfaces look brand new. Seal your surfaces against everyday wear and tear. This coating creates a durable barrier, ensuring your investment stays protected. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and grime. Its advanced formula actively repels messes, making cleaning a breeze. Keep your kitchen and bath looking pristine with ease. This spray kit offers comprehensive protection for all your hard surfaces. Applying it is simple and quick, delivering professional-level protection that endures. Enjoy peace of mind with a beautifully protected home. What we like? For ultimate protection and a lasting shine on your kitchen and bath surfaces, consider this ceramic coating spray. If you want to seal in the beauty of your countertops and sinks while making them resistant to stains and grime, this kit offers long-term defense. It's perfect for those who want to minimize future cleaning efforts. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing hard water stains and mineral deposits. The spray nozzle provides an even coating, making it easy to apply to all surfaces. It leaves faucets looking shiny and new without harsh scrubbing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.